What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got AC pressure, 2 prom, 4 prom, and there's also a 3 prom connectors switches. So today I'm gonna just give you a little bit of guidance which two you would jump to bypass, and which two. Well, just to give you a little bit of warning, I done two. A lot of times I just jump these two right here. Simple and easy. My 2004 Accord got that. But Acura TSX and Accord's V6, as you can see, V6 has 4 wires, okay? So, I'm not saying do it. I don't want to be responsible. But if I had to, I would take a chance on my personal vehicle, a vehicle that I'll be working on. According to this switch here, let's compare this one and this one, then we'll move on to 3 prom, okay? And so you got two, 1 and 2, one being blue and red AC pressure switch. This is going by 2003 to 2007 models. We got 2 prom here. We got one cable. Number 1 is called the blue. The color is blue and red AC pressure switch output. Okay. 2 is a blue cable AC on input. Okay. Anyways, so these are the 2 wires we're jumping right here. Pam, zoom. So let's compare this one to this one. Which one would you jump on these two? So if you look at a blue and red AC pressure switch output, that is the same as a 1. So 1 is same here. Input on 4. So you see 1 and 4 are the same wiring as this. So if you want to take a chance, bang, zoom. That's where you would tackle at those two right there. And this connector look exactly like this. If you have a 4 prom V6 Accord, 2003 to 2007, and if other one we got it, just check. Go by the color code here. Then you got pressure switch signal. And then you got this. Got to be a ground. Number 2 got to be a ground. So anyway, that's that. So let me fish out 3 prom. Okay, so the next one we're gonna look at is Acura TSX. You got AC pressure sensor here. You got pin number 1, 2, and 3. So it's black, blue, and yellow. So here it is. Input. So the sensor would need to input a. Okay, so somebody was making a noise outside to walk. So pretty much the sensor will need to send a signal, input signal, and it would need a reference signal which would get converted according to the resistance. So I would surely go 1 to 2, okay? And then you got the ground on the other end. You have a diode in here. That's part of the sensor. So 1 and 2. So let me go pull out the blue and yellow diagram with 3-pin connector. So here we are, 3 pins, 1, 2, 3. You have yellow and blue, 1 and 2. So these are the 2. If you look at the connector, you see the connector, it's gonna look just like that. It's gonna look weird up on the top here like that. So the bottom side is flat. So 1 and 2, I would jump those 2 just to see if everything clicks on. Anyways, like I said, warning, don't just go by my knowledge, okay? I do take risks sometime here and there. You don't want to fry a computer, so be aware, be cautious, take your time. 1, 2, and 3. It could be, what I meant to say was connector 1, 2 wires, connector 2 would be 3 wires, third connector would have 4 wires. So that's what it is. I've done 2, I have done the 4s, I had no issues, but still, I would not want to be responsible. This is all for your knowledge and purpose. That's it. On And to the relay, and the relay engages the AC compressor.